Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. Today we have some special guests. My two little great-grandsons from Little Rock are here. This is Sam.
You're acting goofy.
You're acting goofy. You're not supposed to act like that. We're going to leave you out if you don't behave. Now, dear, what do you think you're doing up there doing that?
I'm sorry.
Well, okay. Let's stop that. You ready to go over again? Okay. Good morning.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm going to tell them. I'll let you. Hold on a minute, Sam. Okay, you ready? Turn
This
it
is
over.
like cooking Krabby Patties in SpongeBob.
Come on. Take this and put it in the plates, and we'll put some mayonnaise on it. We're going to use it. Sam, you're supposed to be right there.
So I'm gonna. Can it just because I will download from my backburn. I just need to. What is this called?
Okay. Huh?
What's that called?
It's a spatula. Do you want? Can you get
my,
up?
My dad used a spoon to make spaghetti.
Look here. Can you get up under there and scoop it out on this plate? That's good.
Ow.
Well, don't touch the plate. Don't touch the pan.
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Put this on here.
Ew, my fingers. Get it. I need to wash my hands.
Look here. Get your hands washed. Put your hands on there.
Clean up, good presentation.
Hey, get next to Mama because she's presenting the grilled cheese. You get to eat.
And we're going to make, they like grilled cheese, so we're going to make grilled cheese today. So they're going to help me. And this is Charlie. He's 4 years old. Are you supposed to act like that? No, no, you don't have to. Huh?
We're just going to watch Mama cook.
What? I didn't understand what he said.
I just said I just wanted to put the butter in.
Oh,
Sam,
yeah, you can do
smaller.
that if you want to.
Now,
Okay, put that other one in there.
ouch.
Now we got to have.
That's like the
You got to look, see if it's brown.
I'm just gonna
Get hot.
sit down on it and wait. I might need a band-aid after the video. And hold my butt for my burn.
Can you not be still?
Okay, stop. Okay, let me try. Put the cheese on. That's gonna hold. Ouch.
Here, get this one open. Don't you like grilled cheese toast?
Well, I don't like mayonnaise.
Huh?
I don't like mayonnaise.
Well, you do.
Yeah.
You used to eat it over here.
This is the best you ever had. Now.
Yeah.
Put it on and you didn't know mayonnaise was on it.
Charlie, why'd you get your back turned?
Well, because I'm waiting. That's what I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
He had a tired day. He time.
I better do that myself. It's gonna burn.
They're like both dead.
I know, they're about to burn.
Crazy if you do that.
They're about to burn. We like waited too long, didn't
Sorry
we?
for moving.
Like just a little bit, and they'll be finished.
I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait.
Okay.
I wait every time.
Did you ever eat? Y'all have had French toast?
I had French toast, but not this. We don't even have bread.
Huh?
We don't even have bread. What country was French toast made?
Thank you for watching.
We'll probably
Okay.
make another video. Hey,
And your grandfather?
My dad made French toast for me.
He does? Well, great.
He
Maybe, maybe his.
He did it years ago when I was watching some like Godzilla Forces the Monsters.
And he made it?
Yeah, because
Well,
it was like so crazy about that movie.
he used to bring his friends home with him, and we would now. Now, why are you doing that?
Sorry.